Welcome to day 4 of our AI engineer journey. Today we focus on mastering Python dictionaries and sets. Our plan includes completing 10 practice programs, creating a content piece, and organizing our project files on GitHub. Let's get started. For our first task, we dive into Python Lecture 4. We will learn how to create and use dictionaries, explore set operations, and understand key differences between dictionaries, lists, and tuples. Next, it is time for practice. You will work through 10 programs covering dictionary and set basics, followed by a mini-challenge where you will build and print a structured user profile dictionary. Now, let's sync our progress. We will structure our Road to AI Engineer repository, commit our new files, and push our work to GitHub to keep our progress archived and accessible.
Moving on to content creation, you will record a short video summarizing today's learning journey. Focus on explaining how Python uses dictionaries for fast data retrieval and showcasing the logic behind your programs.
For documentation, create a day04.md file. Use this to consolidate your technical discoveries, document your syntax rules, and perform an honest postmortem on any bugs or mistakes you encountered today. To keep our skills sharp, we will spend 20 minutes revising day 3. Use active recall to explain lists, tuples, and their respective methods entirely from memory, identifying any remaining knowledge gaps. Finally, review your end-of-day checklist. Ensure all lectures, programs, repository updates, content, and notes are complete. You are now prepared and ready for tomorrow.